solve for x. Here we have a rational equation with a fraction is equal to a fraction. We need to determine the excluded values, and then we will solve. To determine the excluded values, we will take the expression in the denominators and set them equal to 0. So we'll take x plus 7 is equal to 0, and 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. When we solve these, we get x is equal to negative 7 and x is equal to negative 2. So therefore, x cannot equal negative 7 and x cannot equal negative 2. Those are excluded because they make the denominator go to 0. Now we're ready to solve, so we'll cross multiply. Here we have 3 times 4x plus 8 equals x times x plus 7. Now we'll distribute. That'll be 12x plus 24 is equal to x squared plus 7x. Since it's a quadratic equation, we need to set it equal to 0. Let's subtract 12x and subtract 24. That'll keep our coefficient of x squared, that number in front, as a positive. So we'll subtract 12x and subtract 24. So now we have the left side equal to 0. That's x squared minus 5x minus 24. Looks like we should be able to solve this by factoring. Let's do guess and check. So that'll be x and x. Signs are going to be different. We need factors of 24 that can add to 5. So it looks like that would need to be 8 and 3, and the 8 should go with the minus in order to get to a negative 5. Now we'll use the zero product property. So we'll take each factor and set it equal to 0. So we get x plus 3 is 0, x minus 8 is 0. When we solve, we get x is equal to negative 3 and x is equal to 8. These were not excluded values, so these solutions should work. We can always do a quick check by substituting those values into our original equation. So let's check x is equal to negative 3 first. This would be 3 over negative 3 plus 7, which is 3 over 4. That would be negative 3 over 4 times negative 3 plus 8. So that is negative 3 over negative 12 plus 8 would be negative 4. So here we get 3/4 is equal to 3/4. So the solution of x equals negative 3 has checked. Now let's check x equals 8. So we'll do 3 over 8 plus 7, which is 3 over 15. 8 over 4 times 8 plus 8. So that's going to be 8 times 4 is 32, plus 8 would be 40. So both of these reduce to 1 over 5. So this checks. So we have verified the solution, x equals 8. So this equation had two solutions, x equals negative 3 and x equals 8.